This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by SCouch, Reynolds Lake Oconee remodeled home. This beautiful home renovation was done by Ryan Miller / Eatonton Built Homes and shows like a new model home. Renovations include kitchen, bathrooms, laundry room, hardwood floors, HVAC, raised doors and doorways to 8, landscaping plus so much more. It is all in the details. Glass sliding doors were added across the back of the house to expand the open floor plan living space onto the updated screen porch. From the porch you will enjoy the views of the award-winning Jack Nicklaus designed Great Waters Golf Course and a peek of the lake. Each bedroom has a private bath. The laundry room has access from the primary master bath and bedroom as well as additional access from hallway. For storage, check out the expanded walk-in attic over the garage with stair access. Reynolds Lake Oconee Golf membership is available for the ultimate in lifestyle amenities. List of all renovations is available.